Hello, children. Hope finds you in the best of your health and safety. Today, we are going to start chapter 15, which is a poem, Believe in Yourself. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's look at the new words which are given in the box. The first word is strokes. Please repeat strokes. Here, the strokes word means the problems, the obstacles which come in our way. The second word is chance. Please repeat chance, which means an opportunity to do something new. The next is believe. Please repeat believe, which means your trust. The next word is hopes. Please repeat hopes. Hopes means when you are hoping something, when you are wishing something to happen. And the last word given in the box is stick. Generally, stick means something used to hit someone, but here stick means to get stick with someone, to get attached with someone. Let's start with the explanation of the poem, for which firstly I'll be reading the lines of one stanza and then I'll explain that, and then I'll be switching to the next stanza. So let's start with the first stanza. You don't know why sometimes in your life the things go wrong by your side. Life will serve you with different strokes, but you have to hold on to your hopes. Believe in yourself. So here the poet wants to say that in your life the things will not always turn right. They will not always come or give us the result as we wish to have. Sometimes it can be the vice versa. That means it can be something different which you have not expected. And your life will always give you problems. There will be obstacles in your way. But at that time, you don't have to lose your hope. You don't have to be disheartened that, oh my God, what will I do now? I'm having so many problems. No. That is the time when you have to believe in yourself. You have to hold yourself that you can do it. You have the power to face this problem. You have the power to face this challenge. Then that stuff, that energy will be generated in your body. That belief will give you a lot of energy to fight against all the problems of your life. I hope this stanza must be clear to you all. Now let's move to stanza number 2. The life never serves you with a second chance. You have to prove yourself in one step. Remember, you have the power. Never think of worst and always believe that you are the best. Believe in yourself. Now, in stanza number 2, the poet is saying that in your life, you will always be having problems and the life will never give you a second chance. Whatever you have to do in the first step only. You will not get another chance, right? Because once the time has gone, we cannot regain it. Once it has gone, it will never come back. So, never think that you cannot do anything, because you have the power to do everything in this world, because you are the best. When you will nurture your body, your mind with the thought that you are the best, you can do everything. You have the caliber to face all the challenges. You have the caliber to do everything in this world. You can do it. Then a positive energy generates in our body, which makes every impossible possible. Like we say in our thought also, that I am feeling terrific. I am the best. You are the best. We all are the best. Right? So in this way, you are motivating yourself. Why we take this motivational thought every day in the morning assembly? So that we can nurture ourselves to do the best. We are telling our body that we can do it. We are the best. Right? So this is very important to believe in yourself to achieve the goal in your life. If you believe that you can do it, then you will surely do it. I hope stanza number 2 must be clear to you all. Now let's move to the last stanza, that is stanza number 3. The life will serve with hard time. You should try to keep the things going fine. Others may not listen to the song you sing, but stick to a feeling that you can do everything. Believe in yourself. Now here, in stanza number 3, the poet is saying that in your life, you will be finding problems every time. It's not that you will find problems only in the childhood. You will not find them in your adolescence or when you will be an old man. You will find hard times. You will find problems every time in your life. In every phase of life, there will be a problem. It can be in different way, it will be there. So at that time, what is your duty to do is that you have to think and you have to try that the things should not be disturbed. Your mindset should not be disturbed. You should not be upset to see any problem. You should be calm so that you can handle that situation wisely. At that moment when you will be in trouble, people must be saying many different things, that how fool he's not taking care of the things. But what you have to do is you have to stick to a feeling that you can do everything. People might be demotivating you also, that oh, such a big problem is there with him. How will he survive? How will he manage the things? But you have to be positive at that time. You have to think positively. And that feeling that you can do everything, you can face every problem, will give you the energy to solve that problem because you are believing in yourself. I hope this poem must be clear to you all, and you all must be feeling energetic to learn about this, that you can do everything if you believe in yourself. Now children, your homework is learn this poem by heart. Thank you.